That's my Custom Cruise. You can see a beautiful brake system and fender mount that we've devised. Total one-off, the only one I think ever been done before. As you can see, all CNC. Comes off here on the old arms like it should. So basically when we hit a bump, this thing can go up and down. But also, rather than having a motocross type fender most springers do, which is up here, you know, you have a mudguard that's miles away from the bloody thing, which looks ridiculous. So if you want any cool stuff making like this, it's a one-piece bracket this side and then a fender bracket on the other. This is using a Ultima caliper, and this is just a steady. You could actually have two brakes done for this. We could do your mirror of this, and this has actually got the ABS on, so they say it doesn't work. It does. We've just been for an MOT with it and it worked fine. Got all, the only awkward thing with a spring is obviously different years. Officially these are Evo springers. Palco say can't be fitted to a rocker. By fitting these stops here it can, and we've obviously moved all the cables behind. Otherwise if it traps it, you've got an issue, obviously safety issue there. We've got the battery tender thing going on here as well, which is a great way of charging your battery, powering your USB and all the other stuff you want to do on your bike. But beautiful CNC brackets made by Kev, and very, very cool. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.